Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ciara. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're no subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to give you guys the inside scoop on my stockpile. So, I'm over at my grandmother's house, and here's my stockpile. So, I have a tote under there, this tote. Things are in this one, that, all three of those, and then as well as this. Also downstairs in the laundry room, there is a shelf that has some of my stuff. And then there is a cabinet that has my, oh Lord, my Glade and Airwick wall plug-in things. So anyways, I'm down to my last box, but I'm just gonna show you guys what else I've been doing. And then from there, yeah. All right, guys, so I'm back with another stockpile video. So, all of my Tide Pods, Gain Flings are in there, pads. All of the razors are in here. Toothbrushes are getting ready to get moved. This is where all the Band-Aids are. They're getting ready to get moved. All right, so I bought some things over to my grandmother's house to put into my stockpile. More razors, Band-Aids, and other little small necessities. Toothpaste, toothbrushes. So let's just do it. Since I'm at the last box now of putting those things away, I'm just going to simply put these in this little container right here. These are my dryer sheets. I am honestly thinking of selling some of this stuff. I don't want to keep it in my stockpile forever, as I won't be able to get to everything right away. But I do want to at least try to get rid of some stuff. I have a whole thing of razors, pads, dryer sheets, Tide Pods, Gain Flings, a couple of pieces of makeup, toothpaste. This one is filled with toothbrushes and floss, and then the last one has like Band-Aids and like makeup wipes and like baby wipes or whatever for hands and face. So this is the way that I have it organized. These are all the deodorants, and then this is just like facial stuff and shaving gel. And then we have things such as like the this soap. This is just so Dane, Mr. Fling, Magic Eraser. And then we have our hand soaps, air fresheners, and then the Renews It, which is just a room air freshener as well. We have everything down here, such as Mr. Clean, multi-surface cleaner, a couple dryer sheets down there, baby wipes, Lysol wipes, disinfectant wipes, a roll of toilet paper just in case, so my grandmother wouldn't have to go out and get any if she really wanted to use that. And then I have some detergents down at the bottom. And so I'm just gonna stick this right here along with my 3 individual Clorox Ultra Concentrated Dishwashing Liquid. And